How to turn on or off reduce loud sounds on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. On this page, you can view and manage your phone sound and haptic settings. These settings allow users to customize both the audio feedback and physical vibrations for various actions and notifications. Users can adjust volume, choose different sounds, and manage how haptics behave. Here, scroll down and go to the Headphones section at the end. Tap on Headphone Safety. Your iPhone can analyze headphone audio and reduce any sound that is over a set decibel level. Over here, turn on the Reduce Loud Audio feature. You can now drag the slider to adjust the volume decibels. If you want to turn it back off, then tap on the switch again as shown. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off reduce loud sounds on iPhone.